All right, back we go. February 15th, Monday. Pumping out a lot of these videos, giving information on the small caps, quick, buy sell levels, technical analysis, see where they're going. My picks have been hot. Check out SHIP. What are some of the other stocks? Let me see here. CRBP I had, BRQS I nailed. There's a ton. Just check back the last 3 weeks. I don't even know how I'm doing all this, but it's crazy. All right, NSPR, 34 million float, 132 million market cap. Medical device company focused on development and commercialization of proprietary micronet stent platform to treat vascular and coronary diseases, Europe, Latin America, Middle East, Asia. With our country and around the world, cardiovascular disease, I think, is the number one killer. We very bad food in the United States, very heavy people. We don't work out. We don't take care of ourselves. It's really a crazy world we live in. All consumer driven, madness, total madness. So NSPR, let's take a look at this. All right, you had the big wedge down. I tried to break through 4, 5-ish many times, fell through this 250 line, big gap 150, fell to one, then we bounced up 150, then came back, right here 30 cents. Look at this low, just below. Then we really broke up in January, 40 cents, 50 cents, 60, 70. Look at this. We climb, break the $1. Look at this candle. Now we're up. We're getting back and forth, big moves back and forth. It's getting really high above your 13 EMA. 1 to 140. But right here has this big line, 150. We can get above 150. We're getting into the gap to 250. Longer term, I like this. That's my target. This pulls back to 190 cents. That's fine. Even below, it could fall, and then we get a big move back up. So, we're at the top of the range here, this 150 level. We'll see if they want to break it this week or they pull back on this. So you have to be aware of this. I wouldn't just sit here and hold it. When these stocks move up, I'm not just sitting here, I'm going to swing it. You got to wait for specific areas. So, but there it is. You can see the open gap right there. All right. AYRO, 23 million float, 273 million market cap. Let's see here on this one. I did a direct offering a few days ago. They manufacture light duty emissions free electric vehicles, urban community transport, mobility, campus mobility, recreational, government use. So that's weird. Should that be there? It's kind of weird. This came down in 2019. This bounced all the way up to 30. Look at that. A reverse split. Then we come back. This really bottomed at 3. We tried to bounce above 8. Then came all the way back to this 2 line. Then this is very back and forth, very choppy. Anywhere between 2 and 8. Got the 3, bounced up again to 10. Then this back and forth move, and then we get above 10. So let me take these out, see if we can get better lines in here now, see what is going on with this stock. So right here, this 10 line's big. See the 10 line? And the line below, you're going to look for, no, this is 2 line. This is all the way down here. This is like your ultimate bottom with this stock right now. So you can see in this, the wide range, right? Wide range back and forth. Some major spike ups. And look where we're at now. Here, tried that 10, bounced and consolidate it. Then we trying to test it again. So if we get above 10 and hold, look for 12 to 14. I would say immediately. Any pullback, see the lows getting higher here. 556, 650, 7. This could pull back even as low as 750 on this. They did a direct offering that was on the 11th. Electric vehicle space is hot. So Yeah, longer term, we're going to get up. We might get back to even 30s. Who knows? 20s or 30s. We'll see how this plays out on this. And you can draw a line too this way from your low. See this? So basically, you don't want this to go below 750, maybe 7. That's your area here, back and forth on this. So it's looking very strong. CIDM, 89 million float, 318 million market cap. Synagen expands in the horror genre with Screaming Box acquisition. They operate, distribute independent movies, television, content, United States, Canada, New Zealand. Done this many times too. This is a clear two line. Look how long this two line from 2016. You have a two line, 250 cents, back and forth, back and forth. Tried 2019, didn't get over. And then more recently, 2020, this did in May, June, this thing took off from like 50 cents, 75 to 6. And then what goes up must come down very fast. Look at this. This came down hard, right to 50 cents. And then we're starting to build again 50, 75, 125. Now look at all the dip buys here. Again, here, came back, here, came back. So, if this comes back all the way to 150, it's still not, doesn't mean the move's over. We can go here, then come back up, and then rise above. We're right at this 2 line now. I want this to break 2 and get, target would be 3 on this. 3 to 350 about short term in this area. I think we're going to get there. And the way the stock's moving. Yeah, great volume here. It is high up on stochastics. It is overbought, but that's because the trend, everything's moving out. It's been so strong with the stock. So, this is looking extremely strong, but 2 lines are very huge. We got to get over it and maintain it and start to build bases here. So here, base here, and then come back up again. So I like this longer term. This could be a good swing. We'll see how this plays out this week on CIDM. And that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trades. Smash the like button. Leave comments. Anything useful. Twitter, Mike J Trades. TikTok, Mike Frank. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. Stock Twits, Mike Cayman Trades. That is it for this video. Peace, everybody. Peace.